there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you want to keep your nutrition on point while you're busy or on the go, then take it from me and give these Sperri meal replacement drinks a try. I have seriously been loving this strawberry flavor. I find that it has a really pleasant taste. It actually tastes like strawberries, and something that I'm a big fan of is that they're not overly sweet. I've really been enjoying the thicker texture of them. It makes them taste really creamy, and they feel more filling when I drink them. They feel really substantial. I've had other meal replacement drinks that I just feel hungry a half an hour later, but that is absolutely not the case with these. These actually make me feel satisfied. As someone who does tend to have a sensitive stomach, I can say without hesitation that these are super easy on my stomach. They haven't given me any irritation or digestive issues at all. And they're also amazing for when I'm traveling and I want to make sure that I keep my energy level up for all the activities that I'm doing. I found that the rich texture of these actually pairs perfectly with coffee. I ran out of creamer one day and I tried some of this Sperri drink in it, and it was perfect. And it also made my caffeine break a more sustaining one. These strawberry shakes from Sperri have really made me feel like I can take care of myself no matter what else I have going on. But that's just my point of view.